And tribe system justifying and perpetuating inequality. The caste system as a discriminatory system. Caste system is a distinct Indian social institution that legitimizes and enforces practices of discrimination against people born into particular caste. So caste system is meant for discrimination of people by one caste are discriminated by the other caste people. Here are humiliating, exclusionary and exploitative. And the characteristic of caste system is humiliating, exclusionary and exploitative. The basis of discrimination under the caste system are on the basis of classification of people by their occupation and by their status or rank in the society. And the discrimination in the caste system is in accordance to the classification of people in accordance to their occupation and in accordance to their status. Caste inequality is directly associated with the economic status and occupation, as it is evident from ancient history. Since very long, the inequalities on account of caste is directly associated with the economic status and the occupation of the people. Someone born in the family of carpenter, he would have to join the same occupation when he grows up. If a person is born in a family of a carpenter, he will do the same work as his ancestors were doing. As per spiritual approach, however, social and economic statuses are taken differently in caste hierarchy. For example, Brahmins were not supposed to amass wealth and live under mercy of the rulers. Brahmins never were allowed to accumulate wealth, and they always depended on the rulers. Contrary to it, these rulers were subordinated to the social status of Brahmins, but the ruling group, that is the Kshatriyas, they were subordinates to the Brahmins. However, there was co-relationship between social and economic status in practice. For example, higher castes were invariably of higher economic status, while lower castes were always witnessed lower in economic status. In terms of economic status, higher caste always had a higher economic status, and the lower caste always had a lower economic status. In modern age, this correlation is getting weaker, as we see rich and poor people are equally found in every caste. But in the current era, the rich and the poor people are found in each and every caste, may it be the higher caste or the lower caste. In distinction between caste and similar social and economic status have now weakened. However, these still exist between different socio-economic groups. Although the distinctions between caste and similar social and economic status have now weakened, but they still exist in the society. The distinction between privileged and disadvantaged sections of society is still existing as before. This is because the lower caste individual tends to adopt purgation or purification, a procedure of Hindu community when his economic status is increased. The lower caste people try to attempt the purification rituals because their economic status has increased, and there are no restrictions now existing upon changing of one's occupation. And because now every person, may it be of a lower caste or a higher caste, can do whatever work he feels to do. So the purification procedure is adopted by the lower caste so that it can intermingle with the upper caste. That is what is called as Sanskritization.